Hi, welcome. Today we will learn about what is meant by box model, HTML or CSS box model. In HTML, each and every element is represented with the help of a box model. A box model consists of four properties. We can see here is the demo page that is designed to understand the box model. We will have to right click and click on inspect in Google Chrome or either Firefox. The inspect element window will be opened here. Here we can see a box model. We can select any element from the HTML page to understand the box model. We are selecting here h1 tag. A box model is represented here on the bottom of the dialog or side of the page. Here for four properties which we have discussed. There are four properties of each and every element, such like of headings, borders, paragraphs and images. These four properties are margin, border, padding and content. Okay. The most important property of the HTML element is its content. The space wrapped around the content is called padding, and after padding, border is implemented, applied to the content. After border and between page width or height is called space is called margin. It may be margin among different elements on the same web page. We have some kind of custom styles we are removing. After refreshing this one, we can see here what we can understand. There is a margin 2100, 1000, 4400, and there is the content that is in pixels. There is no border and there is no padding around the content. We are going to assign some custom style to display in the box model. We say that padding 20 pixel. Padding is applied. We can notice here, if we mouse over the padding in box model, padding is highlighted here. We can increase it by up arrow key. The padding is increasing. We can see that the same values are applied to the up, down, left and bottom values. We can also set 18 pixel and 20 pixel. Padding and margin property takes 1, 2 or 4 parameters. If we provide one parameter as the value, the one parameter will be applied to the all four directions, top, bottom and left, right. If we provide two parameters, then these will apply to the parallel directions, top, bottom and left, right. If we provide four parameters, such like of this, we are going to apply four parameters, then it will be applied to top, left, bottom and right in clockwise style. We say that 20 pixel, 30 pixel, 10 pixel and 0 pixel. We can see here these padding is applied. 0 pixel is displaying here dash. We can change the 0 pixel to some value, then this will be applied here. Same such like a border 1 pixel solid. We can see here red. We can also change the size of the border to view it quickly. This is the border applied to the all four directions of the element. We can also change the directions by using border bottom, border top and border left and border right. Now we can observe that the border bottom is only applied to the 10 pixel and color is red. Similarly, we can also change the margin, and content is the text. It may be text or image or any other graphics that is being used.